What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel, High Quality Trade Setups, where I give you my highest quality trade setups in the market today, 100% free. Holla at your boy. I will also be giving my thoughts on where I think the market is headed tomorrow. But before we start, I just want to say I'm not a licensed financial advisor, and this video is for educational purposes only. Do not buy anything solely based on my advice. Please do your own research and technical analysis before entering any trades. Thank you. Alrighty, now if you are new here, this is High Quality Trades, where we go over the highest quality stocks in the market, meaning only the top stocks with the highest market caps make the cut. So, Apple, Amazon, Meta, Google, Netflix, NVDA, Microsoft, and Tesla. These will be the stocks we mainly trade on this channel. So, if you're ready to make the highest quality trades of your life, and possibly the most money you've ever made, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Alrighty, first up we have the SPY on the daily time frame. Today is June 12th, 2024, and the previous close of the SPY is 541.36. We reached a high of 544.12 and a low of 540.30. We were positive 0.82% on the day. Alrighty, we had a huge gap up in the morning because of CPI. If you guys watched my video yesterday, you would know I had entered some call trades in the market for today, just following the price action yesterday. And we did get a gap up this morning, and I did close my contracts for a decent profit. Okay, now we did break out of this rising wedge type pattern. Okay, that does put our price targets up pretty high if we base it off just the opening here. I think somewhere up towards like 169. If we go that high, I will be amazed. We will encounter resistance here at this trend line from the July high here, and then the April high here. I would expect price to get up to here if we remain bullish. Tomorrow PCI comes out. Core PCI comes out tomorrow morning and could shake the market a little bit. If anything, I would be looking for a retest of the top trend line here and previous resistance at the old all-time high, which is 536.92. Okay, if we manage to go higher, it looks like we could reach 546-ish. Oh, I do have the daily expected move. Let's see. Tomorrow, June 13th, the upper level is 544.41, and the lower expected move is 538.31. That is what the options market is pricing in for tomorrow. So we will see which area it hits, either the high or the low. Okay, that is it for the SPY. A trade I took today that I told you guys about last night that looked bullish to me based off some I think they call this hidden bullish divergence on the RSI. And we did break our triangle pattern, which then I told you guys the price targets were 123.09 and 125.43. I told you, yeah, I mean, all-time highs again. So I did enter this morning somewhere around here, and I got out right at this high of this candle here. So it was a decent trade as long as we stay above 125.62. We will go a little bit higher, but if we break below, then we would be looking for a retest of 123.09. We will see what tomorrow's price action brings us. Also Netflix kind of panned out the way I said. I was looking for calls in the morning because of the break of this flag pattern. So we did get a move up towards the descending trend line here. But then we did encounter resistance. I did try to trade it once it was breaking the trend line here, but it was immediately rejected after I bought. And I got out for a small loss, sadly. We did drop back down to the top of the flag pattern and did hold as support. We will see if tomorrow it holds as support as well, and then we get a move back up here towards 651.89. If that happens, then this would be a valid call trade, and I would be looking for price to get back up to 658.18, and then possibly up to 664.19. We will see what tomorrow's price. Okay, so I guess before I move on, if we do fall, I would be looking for this trend line to hold as support, which does mean we could fall to somewhere around 638.71. If we start breaking out of that, then this would be a valid puts trade. And then I would try to trade it down to the low here of 626.60. And then I would get out. That would be a good day trade. We will see what tomorrow brings. Let's see. Also, Google, I did say calls. It hit the 180 price target. We actually got a huge move early, like I think within the first 5 minutes of the market. But then it was immediately rejected, and we fell back below our support. And then it tested as resistance, and we fell down to the next support, which did manage to hold to the end of the day. It looks like in post market we fell back down. So here, if this manages to hold us support right where it's at, we could go back up and retest 180. If it falls, yeah, we'd be looking for a retest of the trend line, the upward sloping trend line here. So if this breaks, then we can trade it down to probably trade it down to that one. 175, possibly 174.39. We will see what tomorrow brings. Keep saying that. I need to stop. Haha. Okay, this Tesla trade. I did enter some calls because we did finally break this downward sloping trend line, which is absolutely crazy, guys, because I did tell you on Monday, I think it was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, yep, that I entered puts because it was looking bearish. We did get the rejection from the trend line. So I traded it down to the low here, got out, and then I just been watching it. Today we broke the upper trend line. So now this is a valid call trade. We are trying to get to, as long as price stays above the trend line here, we're trying to get above 180, then up to 182.57. We want to fill this gap up here at 185. I believe there is a gap on the daily though. Yes, this candle here to 186.57. could be the possible high. If it ends up in the 185-ish range, I will be getting out. If price starts to struggle around 182, I would get out as well. Which, you should be up a slight profit at that point. But I do not know what tomorrow's price action will bring us. We will see. We need to stay above the trend line.